Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Global Income Hub. What? If I told you there's a platform where your content keeps working for you, months, even years after you post it, and it sends thousands of people to your affiliate links on autopilot. That's Pinterest. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a Pinterest affiliate marketing system from scratch. Even if you have 0 followers right now, stay until the end, because I'm sharing the one mistake that kills most people's results before they ever make a dime. Welcome back. Or if you're new here, I'm Name, and on this channel, we talk about building real income streams online. Hit subscribe if you want more of this. All right, let's get into it. Section 1. Why Pinterest? First, let me tell you why Pinterest is criminally underrated for affiliate marketing. Most people think of Pinterest as a place to save recipes and home decor ideas. And yeah, it is. But here's what they miss. Pinterest is a search engine, just like Google. People go there with intent. They're searching for solutions, ideas, and products they want to buy. And unlike Instagram or TikTok, where your post disappears in 24 to 48 hours, a Pinterest pin can drive traffic for years. I have pins from 18 months ago still getting clicks every single week. The platform has over 500 million active users. 85% of weekly users have made a purchase based on something they saw on Pinterest. And the average order value from Pinterest traffic is higher than almost every other social platform. So if you're doing affiliate marketing and you're sleeping on Pinterest, you're leaving serious money on the table. Section 2, how it works. So here's how the whole system works. It's actually pretty simple. You create pins. Those are the images or videos on Pinterest. Each pin links somewhere. Instead of linking to your own product, you link to an affiliate product. When someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. Now, Pinterest's rules on this are important. Direct affiliate links are allowed on Pinterest, which is huge. Platforms like Instagram don't allow that. But, and this is key, your account needs to be established and your pins need to look authentic and valuable, not spammy. The smarter strategy, and what I personally do, is to link pins to a blog post or landing page that you own, which then contains your affiliate links. This gives you way more control, helps with SEO, and builds your own audience at the same time. Section 3. Picking a niche. Step 1 of actually building this. Pick your niche. Pinterest works extremely well for certain categories. These include home decor and interior design, personal finance and budgeting, health, fitness, and weight loss, food and recipes, beauty and skincare, travel, DIY and crafts, the parenting and motherhood, fashion and style. The best niche is one where you have some genuine interest, and there are solid affiliate programs available. You don't have to be a world-class expert. You just need to be one step ahead of the people you're helping. Avoid going too broad. Health is too big. Meal prep for busy moms on a budget. That's a niche. The more specific you are, the faster you'll build a loyal audience. Section 4. Finding affiliate programs. Once you have your niche, you need products to promote. Here are the affiliate networks I'd start with. Amazon Associates, great for almost any niche, easy to get into but commissions are lower, usually 1 to 4%. ShareASale and CJ Affiliate. These have thousands of brands across every niche. You'll find commissions from 5% up to 30% or more. LTK, formerly LikeToKnow.it. Perfect if you're in fashion, home, or lifestyle. Impact and Rakuten, used by major brands, very solid. Individual brand programs. Many companies run their own affiliate programs. Search brand name affiliate program on Google. These often pay the highest commissions. What you're looking for: decent commission rates, products people actually want, and a cookie window of at least 30 days, meaning if someone clicks your link and buys within 30 days, you get paid. Section 5. Setting up your Pinterest account. Okay, now let's set up your account the right way. Go to Pinterest and switch to or sign up for a business account. It's free. This unlocks analytics, the ability to run ads later, and access to rich pins. Profile optimization. Use a clear profile photo or logo. Write a keyword-rich bio. Mention who you help and how. Link your website. You'll need a website for this. Even a simple free one works to start. Create boards around your niche topics. Your board names should be searchable terms people actually type. Living room ideas is better than My Home Inspo. Aim for 10 to 15 boards to start. Claim your website in settings. This adds credibility and unlocks better analytics. One more thing. Make your profile look like a real person or brand that provides value. Pinterest's algorithm rewards consistency and quality. If your profile looks spammy, you'll get suppressed. Section 6. Creating pins that actually get clicked. On Camera Plus design examples, this is where most people go wrong. They create boring pins that nobody clicks. Here's what works. Vertical images. The ideal ratio is 2.3, so 1000 by 1500 pixels. Tall pins take up more real estate in the feed. Text overlays. Most pins that perform well have text on the image, something like 7 ways to save $500 this month, or the kitchen item I bought that changed everything. Create curiosity or promise a clear benefit. High-quality visuals. Use bright, clean images. Canva is free and has Pinterest templates built in. You don't need to be a designer. Strong call to action and something like, click to shop, get the full guide, or save this for later. Pin title and description. This is huge for SEO. Use keywords your audience actually searches for. Think like your customer. What would they type into Pinterest to find this content? Create multiple pin designs for the same piece of content or affiliate product. Different images, different titles. You'll quickly learn what resonates. Video pins are also worth testing. They autoplay in the feed and can stop the scroll. Section 7. Posting strategy. How often should you post? Consistency beats volume. Start with 5 to 10 pins per day. Yes, per day, that sounds like a lot, but most of those can be repins of other people's content mixed in with your originals. Use a scheduling tool like Tailwind to schedule your pins in advance. It also tells you the best times to post based on your audience. Huge time saver. Space your pins out throughout the day. Don't dump 10 pins at once. Pinterest's algorithm doesn't love that. For your own content, create fresh pins regularly. Pinterest prioritizes new content. You can create multiple different pins pointing to the same affiliate link or blog post. That's not duplication. That's smart strategy. Section 8. The number one mistake. Okay, I promised you the number one mistake. Here it is. People treat Pinterest like a billboard. They create a pin, slap an affiliate link on it, and wonder why no one buys. Pinterest users are in discovery mode. They're browsing, dreaming, planning. Your job is to meet them where they are, provide genuine value, and then naturally introduce the product as a solution to their problem. The pins that convert best don't look like ads. They look like helpful content, a tutorial, a list, a guide, a before and after. The affiliate product fits naturally into the story. Sell the transformation, not the product. How I finally organized my pantry for under $50 will outperform buy this storage container every single time. Section 9. Tracking and scaling. Once your pins are out there, check your Pinterest analytics weekly. Pay attention to which pins get the most outbound clicks. That's people going to your link. Which boards are performing best? What topics resonate with your audience? Double down on what's working. Make more versions of your best pins. Create more content on your best performing topics. As you grow and start generating income, consider reinvesting into Pinterest ads to promote your top-performing organic pins. This can scale your results dramatically. All right, that's the full Pinterest affiliate marketing playbook. To recap, pick a niche, find solid affiliate programs, optimize your account, create valuable pin content with keywords, post consistently, and always lead with value. This isn't a get-rich-quick thing. But if you work this system consistently for 90 days, you will start seeing results. If this video helped you, drop a comment below and let me know your niche. I read every single one. Give it a like if you want more videos like this, and subscribe my YouTube channel Global Income Hub so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.